There's a lot you can say about the first ever trifold phone, the Huawei Mate XT. When faced with such an intriguing, super impressive gadget, most people often skip the niceties and go straight for the big question: how much does it cost? And sure, we can turn this into a conversation about the eyebrow-raising price of 3,500 euros and how very few would actually be able to afford it. Instead, how about we focus on the Mate XT's state-of-the-art hardware, the way the trifold design enhances user experience, and whether or not Huawei's vision of the ultimate phone makes sense. Now, that sounds way more exciting. The big question which I'll aim to answer in this Huawei Mate XT review is whether this will be the future of smartphones, a phone that effectively turns into a tablet, one device to rule them all. The Mate XT is not the destination, but the starting point of an exciting new direction in the great smartphone journey. It's here to give us a glimpse of a future era, where smartphones will be able to offer a new range of use cases, unlocking even more powerful applications and expanding the boundaries of what's possible to experience on a handset. The Mate XT is the first smartphone that Huawei lovingly bestows with the ultimate design moniker. I can see why. This is not just a triple folding phone. It's a premium product every step of the way. The faux leather material on the back is durable and convenient. The glossy, polished metal frame looks shiny and luxurious. The Mate XT's red gold and black champagne color schemes scream badass. In the current day and age, this really is the epitome of premium smartphone design. The Mate XT's trifold mechanism is its standout feature, allowing it to expand into a 10.2-inch tablet with a 16:11 aspect ratio. It's truly remarkable how the perception changes when you unfold it into its fully open 10.2-inch form. All of a sudden, it transforms from a hefty phone into a featherlight tablet. Due to the US ban, Huawei has been facing significant challenges in the chipset arena. The Mate XT Ultimate design comes with Huawei's in-house Kirin 9010 processor, which is built on the older 7nm process. This is a definite disadvantage compared to the latest 3nm Apple A18 or Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Elite, both of which offer superior CPU and GPU performance. As a matter of fact, the last several generations of high-end Snapdragons can all easily outperform the Kirin 9010. While the Mate XT doesn't feature Huawei's most advanced camera setup, the octagonal camera island houses a very capable configuration which includes a 5.5x periscope zoom lens. All in all, the Huawei Mate XT Ultimate design puts up a very respectable camera performance. It's just solid across the board. In terms of photo quality with the wide camera, the Mate XT is about on par with other foldable flagships. The 1x camera draws in a good level of detail, and there's only a tinge of over-sharpening. Most of the time, the shots you can take have good definition and well-balanced battery life. 2 out of 3 shots will probably turn out a bit overexposed, but generally there aren't any notable issues related to exposure or color reproduction. The Huawei Mate XT Ultimate design packs a huge 5,600 mAh battery, which will take you through a full day of use if you don't use the full 10.2-inch screen too much. The Huawei Mate XT Ultimate design is a bold, visionary product, quite possibly paving the way for the future of smartphones. As the first trifold phone, it is far from perfect, but it gives us a glimpse of the extraordinary possibilities for multitasking, media consumption, and productivity on the phones of the future. In a market where customers have long been complaining of phones that don't improve much from year to year, the Mate XT is exactly the type of radical innovation we want to see more of. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe.